are we? Who are we? Like we all agreed last December that whenever we resume in 2024, we will be introducing our books and ball program to make it more lively, because we have some reports that some of our players don't like to read, e.g. Lekon, e.g. Ayo. Their mom personally called me and told me, and I thought, okay, if they can put their energy towards football, why can't I help them with their academics, since I was the teacher then? So that's what we are doing now. I have a book here, it's a printout, written by George Orwell. It's called Animal Farm. I'm introducing this book to us so that it can help our spoken English, our ability to read English language, and our ability to comprehend. How many of you are not taking English language as a subject in school? Everybody's taking English language as a subject, so it will be helping us at the long run. Okay, for an example, let's call on Mr. Aziz to come and help us with the introduction. Clap for him, please.
Approach middle life, who are never quite got our figure back after our fourth fall. Bossa was an enormous.
Where are you? Enormous
Beast, nearly 18 and.
Happy resumption. Who is joining us for the first time? Yeah, man. Okay, if you are joining us for the first time, come outside.